Hi guys, today I'm here with an interesting keto recipe of garlic chicken with broccoli and spinach. You can cook this up on any day of the week in less than 15 minutes and you'll get an awesome meal set for you. So let's start off this recipe by seasoning 500 grams of chopped chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder along with a pinch of salt. Mix well. And keep it aside for half an hour of marination. Now let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan on a medium-high heat. Into the hot pan, let's add in our marinated chicken. Along with 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flake and 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, crushed pepper powder, and give it a good mix. And saute it till the chicken pieces changes its color to slight golden brown. Further, drop in 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, then add in 2 cups of broccoli florets and 2 cups of spinach. Combine it. And leave it here to cook. Now drop in a small piece of cream cheese, and finally top it up with 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Give it a good mix. And cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes till the broccoli is cooked well. Our chicken is ready, so let's plate it. I hope you loved watching this recipe too. It's a great keto option, quick and tasty. You can enjoy this with pasta or cauliflower rice. Now it's time to wind up. So do like and share my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to Neema's Kitchen and follow me on Instagram too. The link is given below. See you soon with another wonderful recipe. Bye.